Hey, I'm Marion. I'm a developer focused on bridging the gap between designers and engineers. That's why in my teams we're using all of Figma's modern features like Code Connect, variables, and dev mode. But when it comes to assets, we go back to the Stone Age. We select the needed elements, save them, rename, and then import them manually. Let's be honest. This is the perfect workflow for diverging names and upcoming duplicates. But we can get this sorted, at least for Statamic with my little Figma assets add-on. Install it with Composer, set some envs, and then go to your control panel. You can import your assets right away, and after a moment, they are there. Let's move on and import some photos, but without those original colored ones here on the right. For that, we're now publishing the config to add another one. We want these as JPEGs. Therefore, we use the assets transformer to ignore the original photos. Let's go back to Statamic. Import the photos. Wait a second, and it worked. Everything is in place. Let's face the final showdown. We want to import 254 icons. Let's first add another config, and we want those icons in their own assets container. And then compress them with SVGO. Go back to Statamic, reload, press import, and wait a bit. This takes a bit longer as the icons have to be generated by Figma, downloaded and compressed. But it worked out. Here they are. All 254 icons. And that's it from my side. For more info, check out the Statamic Marketplace or GitHub, or install directly with Composer.